Hey there, injection molders. We've got an exclusive sneak peek into the new features of SOLIDWORKS Plastics 2021, and it all starts with the way you set up your studies. Now, if you've ever seen SOLIDWORKS simulation or flow, you know that you don't have to mesh anything until the entire study is set up and configured, and Plastics now works the same way, making it not only easier and faster to set up, it also means that the study setup is stored inside the file rather than following the study results. So if you have to delete your results to free up some space on your hard drive, you're not going to lose your study setup, and you don't need to go reset up a study or anything like that when you want to go redo your analysis for a new design. I'm going to go through a quick example to show you some of the enhancements, and I'll start with this part that's going to require multiple materials that's going to be overmolded. I'll add some materials, and you should notice a much larger material library this year, over 300 new materials, including some customer materials. Some of our customers manufacture polymers. They've done a much better job of getting those documented and included so that you can use them right out of the gate. I got an ABS material for the body. I'm going to grab, for my favorites, just a thermoplastic for the overmold. And then I'll go through and start specifying my cavity domains for the parts, for the molds, and anything else that I might have already modeled. Now in this case, I didn't model the cooling channels, but that's okay. I can build those from simple sketches to save time. The bubblers, the baffles, everything's really easy to add, and it displays on the screen to make sure it's represented accurately. Similar to the cooling channels, the mold itself doesn't need to be explicitly modeled to be understood and calculated. We can use a virtual mold to study the thermal response of the system accurately. I'll set my injection locations and then my cooling line inlets and outlets, and that pretty well sets up the whole study without any results, but it's all in the model. Now, taking a look at the mesh, you're going to see a fully meshed cooling channel from that simple layout sketch. This can make SOLIDWORKS Plastics 2021 faster and easier than ever before to get your studies set up, run, and then be able to revisit those at a later date.